What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So glad you decided to stop by and hang out with your girl today. Today's video, we're gonna just be taking a little break from our color series, and we're going to be doing a BOXY unboxing. So I've mentioned the BOXY before in one of my earlier videos. It is a $25 monthly subscription, and you get 5 full-size beauty products ranging anywhere from makeup products to skincare products to makeup tools like brushes and things like that. So I'm just gonna let you know a little bit more about what the other options are for BOXY, and if you're already a subscriber to BOXY, maybe you have got something in your box that I didn't get, or vice versa, just because there's different variations of the box that are sent out, so everybody gets something a little different sometimes, most of the times. Anyway, we're just gonna go through everything that I got in my box, and we're gonna add it all up to see what the overall value is. The value for the regular BOXY box is $120, so that's a lot of bang for your buck, you know, just for $25 a month, because you're getting really good high-end products most of the time. So it's very well worth it. And also, like I said, I'm going to let you know about the other options for BOXY as well. Before we jump into it, I want you to do a couple things. Like, comment, and most of all, subscribe to my channel so you can be a part of the Snatch and Slay gang. Alright, let's go ahead and jump into it. I only have the regular BOXY, like the regular $25 subscription. And I'll probably end up upgrading sometime soon just because I want more. Anything that has to do with beauty, that's me. So, but the other options are, you can also do the premium BOXY box, which is $35 a month on top of the $25. So you would get 6 to 7 full-size beauty products, and the overall value for that box is $175. So that's really good. Still for $35 a month. But you would receive, I guess, your regular BOXY, and then you'd also receive the premium box. So that's awesome. And then there's also the BOXY Luxe option, where it's a quarterly box. You get it every 3 months, and that's an additional $24.99 each month, or every 3 months. And you get 8 to 9 full-size beauty products. So that's awesome. And the overall value for that box is $250. Okay, like, let's get with it. So the BOXY Luxe is probably something I'm going to upgrade to, just because, 8 to 9 full-size beauty products for only an additional $24.99 each month. That's awesome. So yeah, that's pretty much all the options for BOXY, and I think there's something on there where you can actually go in and pick one of, if you have the BOXY premium or the Luxy box, I think you can go in and actually pick a product that you'd like to receive in your box. So that's awesome too. You actually get to pick one of the items. Anyway, that's your options. There's a lot of variety, a lot of different, you know, choices you can choose from when it comes to the actual subscription. So if you're not already a subscriber to it, you should definitely subscribe, because it is so worth it. Like I said, I only have the regular box right now, but I'll probably end up upgrading in the near future, because I love beauty. Obviously, I love makeup and beauty care in general. So yeah. So anyway, now we're gonna jump into what I received in this month's box for April, and it always comes with this little card letting you know exactly what you got, and it has the price of everything that you received as well. So when we get through, I'm gonna go and add everything up to see what the overall value is. A lot of times, when you add everything up, it's well over the value of the box, which is $120 for the regular box. So we'll see what it all adds up to at the end. But let's go through and see what we got. So the first thing I have here, the original makeup eraser. Erase all makeup with just water. Contains 1 makeup eraser cloth. So this is what it looks like. And let me see if I can find this on here. So yeah, the original makeup eraser sunset cloth. The #1 sustainable makeup remover in the world. Erase all makeup with just water. Erase waterproof mascara, eyeliner, foundation, and more. Made with premium polyester featuring millions of hair-like fibers that work as a suction for dirt, makeup, and oil. And the price on this is $22. So apparently you only have to use water on this. We're gonna open it up and see what it looks like. But apparently you only have to use water on this particular product to remove all your makeup. That is awesome, because I go through a whole lot to get all this stuff off. So this is awesome. Okay, and it comes with the Bye Bye Makeup Wipes Forever. Honey, you are speaking my language, because I go through a lot of makeup wipes. So this is what it looks like. It's very soft, and it feels like one of those really soft blankets that you have on your bed, or like a throw blanket maybe. But yeah, so apparently all you have to do is put water on this thing, and it takes off all your makeup. Best believe I'm trying this today. So I'll let you know how it works in the description box. So that's awesome. And it even has instructions on how to use it. So #1 thing is wet with soak in warm water. The warmer, the wetter, the better. So obviously the warmer your water is, and the wetter your cloth is, the better it's gonna work. And then use the short fiber side to erase makeup in gentle circular motion. It says short fiber side, so I'm assuming it means this side, because this one has like the longer fibers, I guess. And you just rub it in circular motions to take all the gunk off. So that's awesome. And it says flip to long fiber side with tag. Yeah, I was right. To continue in gentle circular motion. So you can use both sides. Blah, 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 blah. So freaking cool. Now we have the Professional Pore Primer. Smoothing the face primer to minimize the look of pores. So that's what it looks like in the box. Let's take it out and see. So yeah, and this is by Benefit, the Professional Pore Primer. That's what it looks like. The packaging. Okay, yeah. Quickly minimize the appearance of pores and fine lines for smoother than smooth skin. Apply this silky lightweight balm alone under or over makeup. So you can put this you can put this on before you put your base on, or after. And this has an MSRP of $32. So already well over the price of the subscription itself. So you see what I mean? So this is a primer you can either use before you put your makeup on or after. I'd probably use it before, just because if it's a pore filler, it's probably gonna help give you a smoother canvas on your face. So that's what it looks like. $32, my ladies and gents. Awesome. And now we have this Illuminator liquid from Iconic London. And this is concentrated liquid shimmer, can be added to your foundation, primer, or moisturizer, or simply used on its own for a super highlighted glow. Every drop of this super concentrated shimmer elixir glides on smoothly to bestow an ultra blendable glow. And this has an MSRP of $41. This little thing right here is $41. Okay, so I'm gonna actually do a little swatch on the back of my hand here. So you can use this, it says, as a primer, or you can just use it as an overall glow on all the skin, or just use it as a highlight. So that's what it looks like on my skin. Ooh, honey, that would be blinding. Yes. You could probably use a little bit of this if you're as dark as me or darker. But if you're lighter, that'd probably be really pretty. But a little would probably go a long way for my skin tone, or darker. But you could glow all day with this on lighter skin. So, and that's from Iconic London. Next up, we have the Elemis Superfood Sika Calm Cleansing Foam. I don't know if I'm saying that right, but this unique foaming cleanser is packed with nourishing superfoods to help calm and hydrate skin while lifting makeup, dirt, and grime. The smoothing formula helps to comfort skin caused by dehydration and leave skin with a fresh looking complexion. And this has an MSRP of $32. So assuming you can use this to just cleanse your skin, you know, like if you're like me, like to give your face a clean rub down every night, this is probably works really good. Or if you want to use it to take off makeup, I think that will work good for that too. So, or if you just want to give your skin a good moisturizer or moisturizing session, this probably works great for that. So I will be trying this as well, probably tonight. Last but not least, we have these brushes by Lavish. Lavish 5-piece Neon Eye Brush Collection, a must-have all-in-one cruelty-free makeup brush collection that includes essential eye brushes you'll need to achieve an everyday or more dramatic look. And this has an MSRP of $29. So this 5-piece eye set was $29. Hello. And looks like we have like a blending brush. They're nice and bright. This is a fine liner brush, so you can use this to probably do a wing. And then we have the eye shading brush. You could probably take this on the lower lash line, or maybe even go flatly on your lid with a shade. And then we have an angled brush. You could probably use this for your eyebrows. It has a spoolie at the end, so that's a duo one right there. And then this one is it says pencil on it. So maybe if you're doing some defined things in your eyeshadow, this is probably would help you too. So this is a 5-piece set from Lavish, really nice and very colorful. Can't wait to put those to the test. I'm gonna go through real quick and add all this up to see what our overall total is. And once I added the Benefit Poreless Primer for $32 and the Elemis Superfood Sika Calm Cleansing Foam for $32, the Iconic London Illuminator for $41, the Lavish 5-piece Neon Eye Brush Collection for $29.99, pretty much $30, and then the Original Makeup Eraser Sunset Cloth for $22. It came up to a total of $157, so that's well over $120, the initial value of the box. Hello people, are you speaking my language? Get this, subscribe to this subscription, it is amazing. If you're a makeup person, if you like beauty, this is for you. That does it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope I persuaded someone to go subscribe to BOXY Charm. This video is not, you know, sponsored or anything. I just really love this subscription. It is the best. If you're into makeup and beauty care and skincare and all that good stuff, this is great for you. Like I said, I've had it for the past year and it's been great. So anyway, guys, thank you for watching today. Hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you on the next one.